Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix an issue where you cannot use internet because your clock is set incorrectly on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. When you go to any website on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro and it shows you this error message, that means that your date and time is set incorrectly. To change it, go to Settings app, then go to General, Date and Time, and click on Set Automatically, so the date and time will be set automatically. And now, when you refresh the website, you can see it also works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.